Hi, welcome to Sketch Dojo. Today we're gonna draw Luffy. So without further ado, let's get started. To start, I'm gonna draw a straight line and a circle. Then a straight line in the middle, like this. And then a couple of marks to indicate where to put the eyes. Try to follow along. Watch me and watch the image that I put on the video at the same time. This way you will understand why I'm doing what I'm doing. Okay, from here on I increased the speed of the video because otherwise it would have lasted 20 minutes and you will probably get bored, so I don't want that, so I do it this way. Of course, if you feel the need you can stop the video and draw or slow down the video from the options at the bottom of the video. Anyway, as you can see, I'm not drawing starting with basic shapes for this drawing. I usually do that, but in this drawing I decided not to do it. So I'm trying to replicate what I see. Here I'm drawing the abs, I've drawn the chest, and of course you can do it without studying anatomy, but if you have a grasp of anatomy, that will help a lot. Now I'm drawing the scar. I think that this is the name for the wound. I don't know because I'm not a native English speaker. Please forgive me if I make some mistake. Okay, here I've started to draw the clouds around Luffy to indicate like a sort of aura. Yeah, you could do it. It's not mandatory. I mean, it's just a background, but I think that in this case, it's really good to draw the background like this because it helps to narrate the moment, the story. Okay, here I've started the shading part. As you can see, I'm using a blending paper stamp. I usually don't use it, but I wanted to try it to see what effect I could achieve. As you can see, I'm putting graphite with a pencil, and then I'm using the blending stamp to spread the graphite across the paper. You know, I really like the effect because it looks like very soft, and you can create like this sort of aura around Luffy, and I really like that. So basically the process that you are watching is me putting graphite with a pencil on paper. I just map out where the lightest part and the darkest part are with the pencil, and then I use the blending stamp to spread the graphite. It's just this process over and over again. You want to watch where the darkest spots are in the image and where are the lightest ones. Just this process over and over again until you are satisfied with the result. And here I've started to use another technique. So basically I'm carving the image, the apps in this case, with the use of an eraser. Basically I put a lot of graphite on the drawing, and then I'm using the eraser to erase some graphite and to make some spots shine a little bit more in order to create this 3D effect. And now that I'm drawing the hand, you can see what I was telling you before. Can you see this kind of aura around the hand? This is achieved with the blending stamp, and it's really cool to me. And I've used this technique also for the clouds. Of course, this is the best part to use this technique, I think. The problem with the blending stamp is that you have to be careful where you should use it and where you shouldn't. Because if you use it for every part of the drawing, every time, everywhere, it will be too much, and this is not good. So usually you can use it with clouds, or if you want to convey aura, power, or something like that, as you can see in this drawing. But you also have to put some details just with the pencil to convey the texture, for example. You know, I liked how it turned out. Now it's time to sign up, and it's done. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.